5 ways to make a budget and track your projects in an automated way. How to do it? Give me a like, subscribe, and push the notification button.
As you may know, material takeoffs are a crucial part of your projects to ensure transparency in the execution of our work. Mtrix-sc.com will allow you to speed this process due to its intuitive and efficient algorithm. To create your first MTO, click on this button within your finished budget. Set a date and end with the Save and Continue button. As you noted, every value in your budget is logged automatically to avoid future manipulations and guarantee transparency when executing your project. In the same way, every value in your MTO will be logged, except the quantity column. Here is where you will work on your project. Write down all the executed values in each item and in this particular MTO according to the calculations made by the work supervisor, be that weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. To make your work more efficient, Mtrix-sc.com will make all the calculations for you, from your administrative benefits and the corresponding tax values, followed by the accumulated total in this specific MTO. Before saving your MTO, be sure that it is completed, reviewed, and approved, because each MTO will be unmodifiable to provide all the needed transparency for these types of processes. Once you're done, press the Save button.
Let me invite you to continue watching the next videos. Follow me on our social networks.